Hello everyone, you are welcome to this class. So in this class, we want to look at gradient or slope of a straight line. So questions on them and how to solve them. So the first question asks us to find the gradient of line joining the points. So we are given 2 points, 2,5 and then minus 6,3. So we're looking for the gradient. So the formula for gradient, which is m, as we have discussed earlier on in our lecture video, is y2 minus y1 divided by what, x2 minus what, x1. So the first thing to do is let's label this. This is x1, y1, x2, and what, y2. So let's now put the values there. So y2, which is 3, minus y1, which is 5. Hope I'm making sense. So divided by x2, which is minus 6, minus x1, which is what, 2. So 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2, divided by minus 2, minus minus 6 minus minus 2 gives us minus 8. So minus cancel minus, then we have 1 all over 4. 1 all over 4, which is positive, and that is option what? Option B. How that is very clear? That is option B. For number 2, so find the gradient of the straight line passing through the points, point x, which is given as minus 1, comma 3, and then point y, 5, comma minus 1. So we want to find the gradient, right? So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So the gradient, which is m, is y2 minus y1 divided by what? X2 minus what? X1. So y2, which is minus 1, minus y1, which is 3, divided by x2, which is 5, minus minus 1. So this will give us minus 4, right? And divided by 5 plus 1, which will give us minus 4 all over 6. And that is a minus 2 over what? 3. So minus 2 over 3, that is option C there. So the next one, which is question number 3, question number 3 that we have there. So the gradient of a line, joining the points x, 4 and 1, 2 is 1 over 2. Find the value of x. So here we've been given the gradient m is given as 1 over 2. So which means we can say 1 over 2 equals y2 minus y1 divided by what? X2 minus what? X1. So the points given are, we have 1, x, 4, and then 1, 2. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So we can put the value here now to be y2, which is 2, minus y1, which is 4. I hope I'm with you. Then x2, which is 1, minus x1, which is what? X. So that means 1 over 2 equals to 2 minus 4 is minus 2 all over 1 minus x. So we can then simplify and find the value of our x. So from here we cross multiply, here we're going to have 1 into bracket 1 minus x equals to 2 times minus 2. So this is going to give us 1 minus x equals to minus 4. So the next stage is minus, I'll call it like times. So let's have 1 plus 4, that is coming, then this will become what? X. So that means x equals what? 5. X equals to 5. That's option C. That is that on question number 3. So let's go to question number 4 and see what we have there. So question number 4. So question number 4 now, we have find the gradient of the line joining points. So we have 2 points P, and which is 4, 1, minus 1, and then another point Q, which is minus 3, right, comma minus 5. So if we want to find the gradient here, so this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So the gradient here, which is m, is y2 minus y1 divided by what? X2 minus x1. So what is y2? That is minus 5 minus y1, which is minus 1. Don't forget there's minus there. Don't make a mistake. Then x2, which is minus 3, and x1, which is 4. That's minus 4. So let's now have that's the gradient will then be equals to. So we can have it to be equals to this is minus 5. So minus times minus, that's plus 1 divided by minus 7. So this will give us minus 5 plus 1 will give us minus 4 all over minus 7. So minus cancel minus. Therefore, gradient equals to what? 4 all over what? All over 7. I hope that is very clear. 4 all over 7. That is option A. Right. So I'll move to the next one, which is the last question here. Question number 5. So question number 5. So we have calculate the gradient of the line joining the points. So the same thing. So we have point P. The P is 2, 3, and Q, which is minus 2, 1. All right. So this will then give us the gradient. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So m, which is the gradient, is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And this will be the x2, y2, which is 1, minus y1, which is 3, divided by x2 minus 2, then x1, which is what? Also minus 2. So in this case, our gradient will then be 1 minus 3 is minus 2, and then minus 2 minus 2 is minus 4. So minus cancel minus, that is 1 all over 2. 1 all over 2, that is option A as well. I hope this is very helpful and straightforward. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to give us a very big thumb up and share the video with your loved one. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you put on your notification bell. So anytime you release video like this, you'll be the first to have access to it and benefit from it. Thank you for your attention. Bye for now.